Be that young rapping dude, might just trap with you.
Hello friends, how you doing all? Today I have brought a video for you all how to edit and retouch on Lightroom to your photo. If you want to learn, then watch till end step by step. And those who are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's begin to our edit. Click on light. Exposure 0.34 f. Contrast 18. Highlights -88. Shadows 97. Whites -92. Blacks -73. Then come to color white balance. This feature will help you to balance your whites. Temp 4. Tint 16. Vibrance 16. Saturation 4. Then come to color mix. This feature you can see on the top corner. Red hue 14. Red luminance 18. Orange hue 14. Yellow saturation 100. Green saturation 100. Light blue hue 30. Blue hue 30. Maroon luminance 18. Then come to optics. Enable remove chromatic aberration, and also enable lens corrections. If you like to add tattoo on your photo, you download this manly APK. I'll leave link on my description. You can download from there. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like how I edit my photos. Please don't forget to subscribe those who are new in my channel, and also like, share and comment me.